Hey guys, welcome back to Northwest RC. I got a short video to share with you guys. I got something from my garage. I guess my garage floor with the bin pack. So I got this on eBay, pretty cheap, nothing special, but I figured it would look good on my garage floor there. So basically this is like a little cart where you can put parts onto your cart. It's a 3-level cart. It's metal. It comes with actual wheels. So we'll see what the quality is on this particular cart. Here's a hardware bag. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I thought it was. Comes with a lot of little. You know what? Let me get my magnetic tray. I want to put everything in there. It's much easier to work with. Comes with E-clips and everything, so yeah, I think we're better off if we just dump everything in here. The problem is it didn't come with any instructions, so I'm gonna have to figure it out myself. Anyway guys, let me get started, and I'll come back whenever I got something going on here. Alright guys, I got the little wheels done. It's pretty easy. It's just, since they're so tiny, it's a little tedious to try to keep these little pieces together. But anyhow, pretty much you put the plastic wheel into the wheel holder, put the pin, see what I mean? You're going to put the pin through the holder in the wheel, like that, and do the E-clip. Put the E-clip on the other end. That should hold it in place. So yeah, that's what's a little tedious. But anyhow, that's how you do that part. So let me get to work on it. Stand by. Hey guys, so this is what I have done so far. I got three of the wheels done. I have one more left. So I had put the wheels together first, and that was a mistake. I need to put this on first with the attached to the bracket with the screws what I have right here. So basically you put this spacer. Let me show you. You have the bracket and you have the spacer with a screw there. Everything's so small. Anyhow, you got the spacer and you have the screw in the bracket. So basically you put the screw through the bracket, through the spacer, maybe like that, and then you put the screw up through from the bottom of the bracket. It's easier to hold it with the screwdriver in place, and then you just run it through the base, and then put this, the one that comes with the threaded rod on the outside. You just screw it onto the screw. That's pretty much what you do. just like that, and just screw it down more. You can use Loctite if you want. I'm not gonna use Loctite. I'm gonna be running around with it everywhere. But yeah, that's how you, and then you put the wheel on with the E-clip. So yeah, there is some instructions, but it's on the website. Well, not on the website, but in on the pictures where you bought, where I bought the product, and on eBay. So yeah, it gives you a diagram of everything, how it's supposed to go. So yeah, there's some instructions there, which is good because it does help. So yeah, let me get going more, and then I'll come back. What I have, I just put this tray on top. These are the ones that come with it. I just bolted down to the screw that was coming out from the other end. Put the screw on top, and we're pretty much done with the trays. I put the screw onto this. Problem is everything's so small, so yeah, it's a little tedious having to deal with the small screws. So put the screws back on each corner. And there's most of it done. Nice little tray, pretty cool. Looks pretty scale. There's a different one. I think it might be a little longer, but it's only 2 trays. I might get that one too, just to keep up, just putting little scale stuff on my garage floor. So let me get this is going to be the handle for the tray, for the push cart. It's going to go like that with the brackets. So let me get that going. There you go, guys. There's the finished product. They give you some extra hardware, which is good because these things are kind of small. So if you do lose them, it's good to give you a couple of E-clips, a couple of screws, and you're good. So I didn't lose any, thank God, right? But there it is. It's pretty cool. Obviously my garage floor has these rivets on it, or these raised bumps for traction. So yeah, it won't roll as smooth as if it would on the table, like on this table. But the wheels do turn whichever way you pull the cart. Okay. It's gotta have some roughness because this is too plain, and it won't. If you turn it, it won't. Try to turn it, it won't turn as easy as it would on here. This is a little more rough. But this one's a little bumpy. That's okay. I like the way it looks. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be making another video soon. There's more stuff coming in, and as soon as I get it, I'll share with you guys. But yeah, what do you think about my new cart for my garage? I don't know if I ever shared my jack that I have for my RCs. It's pretty cool. It's all aluminum. So this is all aluminum, or metal and aluminum. So yeah, it's coming along. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.